Good morning. Today is Friday, June 25th. I'm Joe Terril, president of Terril & Company, private wealth managers in St. Louis, Missouri. And this is another update on our thoughts about the economy and markets. Since our last video presentation, there has been additional information come out about inflation, and we see nothing in those figures to change our mind about the fact that inflation is not transitory and it is going to be an issue over the next couple of years. The markets are not prepared for this. The markets are pricing investments with the belief that inflation is not going to be an issue and that it will return as the world economy reopens. It's going to return to a 1% level, etc. Currently, it's running at 3.5% year over year. If you take the last 90 days and annualize it, it's running closer to a 7% year over year rate. This leads us into being very cautious about investments. If our side and people that agree with us are correct and the inflation is going to be an issue, then the Federal Reserve will have to raise interest rates sooner than the 2 to 3 years out that they expect, and the markets will have to reprice all investments accordingly. That repricing would be 20% lower than where we're at right now. So this is one of the reasons for our caution as we go through the summer and head to fall to see what this inflation is going to do. The markets are priced for perfection right now. Bond prices continue to be at record highs, stock prices at record highs. There's no room for error, so to speak. So our position here at Terril & Company with portfolios, as I mentioned, is maintain very short duration in a bond portfolio. We do like equities that have exposure to the booming economy around the world as it's reopened after the pandemic. We like companies that own the means of production, like fertilizer companies that own the potash mines, gold companies. We like the financials, we like energy, and we will hold these while selectively beginning to take profits and sell off other issues. So just a moment to touch on the economy. We believe the world economy is going to grow even a little bit faster than perhaps what others think, and certainly the economy in the United States is in position to grow 7 to 10% in the next 12 calendar months. With that said, thank you, Brian Curtis, for producing our update, and we'll be back in another 2 to 3 weeks as we really monitor this inflation scenario. Have a good day. Thank you.